Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through the art of drawing exquisite mehndi tattoo designs. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the materials. Gather a cone filled with henna paste, tissue paper, lemon juice, sugar, and a design stencil. Step 2. Begin with a clean canvas. Cleanse your skin with soap and water, ensuring it's free from any lotions or oils. Step 3. Apply the stencil. Place the stencil firmly on your desired area. Press gently to ensure it sticks well. Step 4. Squeeze the cone. Apply gentle pressure to the henna cone and trace the design outlined by the stencil. Start from the center, following the intricate details. Step 5. Allow the henna to dry. This may take around 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the thickness of the paste. Step 6. Add the finishing touch. Mix together lemon juice and sugar and apply it over the henna. This will help the henna stick and enhance the color. Step 7. Waiting game. Leave the henna on for at least 4 to 6 hours. You can protect it by wrapping with tissue or plastic wrap. Step 8. Remove the dried henna. Gently scrape off the henna, revealing the beautiful tattoo underneath. Step 9. Moisturize and protect. Apply a non-greasy balm or oil to keep the design vibrant and protect it from water. Step 10. Enjoy your masterpiece. Admire your beautiful mehndi tattoo and flaunt it with confidence. Remember to experiment with different designs and let your creativity shine. Mehndi tattoos are a stunning form of self-expression and art. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.